Well, welcome back. Today we're doing a quick follow-up to share highlights from Ainos showcases at the Automation Taipei 2025 and the Semicon Taiwan 2025, and to discuss our new strategic partnership with Topco Scientific. And we're going to get started with the privilege of being joined by Jack Liu, Director of Corporate Development. First and foremost, welcome, sir.
Good morning.
Pleasure to get you back on. And I just want to dive into this. You just announced that partnership with the Topco. I mean, what does that mean for Ainos?
This relationship fits directly into our 90-day action plan, which involves expanding our industrial partnerships. So Topco is our fifth major industrial partnership announced so far this year, following ASC, Chemex, Solomon, and Yugo. So I think Topco really strengthens our position in the semiconductor space because of their credibilities and deep ties to the major chip makers in Asia. They're also very tied with a company called Shinetsu Group. This is a leading chemical supplier to the tech industry and also one of the world's biggest silicon wafer suppliers. So that connection really highlights the level of trust Topco has built. So Topco has been serving this industry for more than 35 years. You can think of them as the one-stop shop for the chip companies, providing materials, equipment, services that fabs rely on every day. They got over 1,900 employees, about 1.9 billion in annual revenues. So their operations are not just in Taiwan, they're also expanding across Japan, Southeast Asia, China, and most recently into the US. So for us, this partnership really means that Topco will promote, sell, and support our AI nose modules and the small language models worldwide, while we provide the technology, the training, and the brand support. So as you recall, we said that Asia represents about a big opportunity for us because of nearly 70% of the chip capacity is in Asia. So Topco's deep connection here is very valuable to us. So to recap, the AI nose industrial ecosystem is really quickly expanding. Now we got ASE and Yugo as customers, Topco, Chemex, Solomon as distributors to expand our reach into multiple sectors, all set path for our 2026 scale up.
Yeah, absolutely. And very incredible. But what did Ainos showcase at the Automation Taipei and Semicon Taiwan 2025?
We presented our AI nose and small language model together. So as you recall, AI nose is a compact device that detects traces of scent at ppb level, while the small language model interprets those signals, essentially like a ChatGPT for scent. So Automation Taipei, this is the biggest annual automation show in Taiwan. This year they got more than 800 exhibitors and more than 100,000 visitors. So that event was really full of robots, but except for our Japanese customers, none of those robots had a sense of smell. So that really made our solution stand out in the show. So we were at Chemex booth where we gave a live demo directly to Chemex internal sales team and also their external customers, showing how AI olfaction can be integrated into automation and robotics. And the visitors saw firsthand how AI nose works with the robots, using our Japanese customers' robot as a real world example. And then Semicon. Semicon is the premier exhibition for the global chip industry. They held annually in multiple regions. This year's Taiwan event was a big turnout with more than 1,200 exhibitors and more than 100,000 industry visitors. So this is the largest turnout in Semicon Taiwan's history. So this was the perfect stage for us to showcase AI nose to the semiconductor world. At Topco's booth, we also showcased our platform, not only to Topco's internal sales force, but also to many of its external customers, including some of the leading semiconductor companies. So at both events, the visitors loved how the AI nose platform combines a compact design, ultra-sensitive detection, and trainabilities, features that they really haven't seen anywhere else. Our AI, the small language model, quickly became a highlight as people saw real value in how it can turn sense signals into smell IDs. And our vision of building ChatGPT for Scent really captures their imaginations. So all these strong reactions confirm that we're really delivering something unique, relevant, and highly differentiated. And we also drew really strong attention from local medias and investors because tech is the largest sector in Taiwan's stock market. So that visibility was very valuable to us. Overall, I think both events proved to be highly successful for us.
Yeah, appreciate the insight there. And maybe just to boil it down, what did Ainos actually gain from these events?
Yeah, so in addition to visibilities, we built a strong pipeline of new opportunities. We connected with automation companies, robot makers, and semiconductor firms, and many more, really including prospects that we had wanted to meet for a long time, but never had the chance until now. So both Semicon and Automation Taipei opened doors we couldn't reach before. And now we're already in discussions that could lead to new partnerships and pilot projects. So the response confirms strong demand, in our opinion, across multiple sectors for what we're building. And we're very excited to turn this momentum into the next wave of growth. So stay tuned. I think this is just the beginning.
On that note, in just a few months, Ainos has expanded its partner ecosystem with Topco, showcased AI Knows and the smell language model on Taiwan's biggest industry stages, and walked away with new opportunities that point toward future growth. Exciting momentum for AI-powered scent intelligence. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, we look forward to seeing you in the next one.
All right. Thank you.